Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add text to PowerPoint slides using placeholders, text boxes, and bullets. When you insert a new slide in PowerPoint, it usually comes with placeholders. Placeholders are predefined boxes where you can add text, titles, or content. Click inside a placeholder and start typing to add your text. If you need more flexibility, you can insert a text box anywhere. Go to the Insert tab, then click on Text Box. Click and drag on the slide to draw your text box. Now you can type inside it. This gives you full control over where text appears. Bullets make lists clear and organized. To add bullets, select your text, then go to the Home tab and click the Bullets button. You can also customize bullets by choosing symbols, colors, or even pictures. Placeholders help structure your slides, text boxes give flexibility, and bullets make lists easy to follow. That's all for this tutorial on adding text to slides. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more PowerPoint lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.